Hello guys, is this magic or science experiment? Let us try. Seeing these two forks? They are actually dangling around those, and these are toothpicks. Do you see? Now let me take them off. Whoop. See? So you need two identical forks. You need two toothpicks with their sharp edges or points. Then you need 2 little bar of soaps like this. So you put somewhere on a flat surface and you put one of the toothpick somewhere in the middle of the top bar soap like this, and you have another toothpick to use with the fork. So take your forks, insert each other, insert like one on the other like this. Try to make sure that they are the points going in either direction are at least equal. You see? Then on the second opening, on the first of the top fork, put your toothpick and you can hold it like this. So try to put that one on top of the toothpick, just end by end, like this. So like this, it is dangling, it is touching here, so that is not equilibrium. So this one is based around equilibrium and the center of gravity. So I'm trying to put on top there. Oops, don't see. Almost there. Yeah, right there. It is not touching, so I can move this one. See? Oops, you see that? See that? Now I challenge you to try it. This is science. Thank you for watching.